Hey, what's up to everybody out there watching, man? If you new, I appreciate the view. And if you coming back, hey, I appreciate that too. Hey, man, this time we back in Tampa again. We at a place called District South. I actually got my mama with us today, so she gonna be thugging with us all today pretty much. We got a few places lined up. This the first place we gonna start at. They got a happy hour. I know it start at 11 o'clock. We about to get ready to go in, man, and we gonna get some more footage when we get seated. Hey, the drinks done arrive. We done end up getting seated. They do got a happy hour from 11 to 6. They got some drink specials. They also got some food specials, but the food specials don't start till 2 o'clock. But these right here start at 11 o'clock. And yeah, I got a old Miller High Life. Old Mama Steen laughing at me right now. She don't know this version of me, y'all. Yeah, she don't know this version. But yeah, I got the bill. And then she got a bill too, but she wanted hers in the bottle. And don't worry, man, I ain't gonna get you on camera. I got you. All right, y'all, we gonna order some food and we'll check back in. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real quick, man, because there's some music in the background playing. My mama had got a chicken Caesar salad. It looked real good. The food came out pretty quick. And then we gonna go ahead and share a Cuban because we gonna be going to at least about 2 more places or something like that. But yeah, man, we gonna check back in once we get ready to leave. Yeah, what's going on, y'all? We done end up leaving the restaurant we was at. Like I was saying, it's a place called District South that's on Dale Mabry in Tampa. The lunch was pretty. It was all right. You know what I'm saying? I just be trying to give my honest opinion, you know what I'm saying? Like, of course, everybody different, you know, and shit like that, but it was decent. We had a Cuban. It had a nice little smoke flavor to it, but it was just decent. They fries was pretty good. My mama got a chicken Caesar salad. I ain't try that, you know what I'm saying? She let me taste a little bit of her chicken, but I mean, it was a little salty, you know what I'm saying? But we end up leaving there and we end up coming to a park called Ballast Point. I had wanted to get like more video and shit like that, but I just got caught up just spending time with my lady and my mama, know what I'm saying, just having a good time. So we just ended up leaving there and came to this park called Ballast Point. It ain't real big, but it got nice little views. They got some benches and stuff along the water. They got like a nice little view of the skyline. I think it's even like a restaurant over here called Leon's Lobster Shack or something like that. It's a nice little view out here, you know what I'm saying? So we just chilling right now. Like I said, I got my mama with me. She just find that shit kind of funny that, you know, I done started vlogging and stuff like that. But yeah, man, we just gonna vibe and chill out for a while. It's a nice day out here. We gonna figure out where we gonna go at for some food. And then once we do that, man, we gonna check back in with y'all. I think we was all together though, if I ain't mistaken, but we ain't been to Longhorn in a while. Wow. But yeah, no, we done end up leaving the park that we was at. We pulling up right now to the Cheesecake Factory. My mama said she ain't been in a while, so we had decided to come here. She's still with us, double OG, triple OG. Yeah, she's still hanging out with us. I ain't make no reservations or nothing like that. We just popping up. I think they happy hour started at 4 o'clock and the end at 6 o'clock. So you already know, man, we about to go in and check them out. We ain't had a bunch of footage today, but we just kind of been having a good time, man. I'm still getting used to, you know, all of this vlogging, but I'm trying to get some type of footage. But yeah, we just about to head in, man, and, you know, get ready to put in our order. I'll check back in with y'all. Yeah, y'all, I'm already being greedy. They done brought out some bread. I done already started digging in. But like I was saying, they do got a happy hour from 4 till 6 o'clock. They got some drink specials on here. They also got some food on here, some appetizers. And then they also got some more on the back. Yeah, they got all this from 4 to 6. Then I had to end up getting the Long Island iced tea that they got on the happy hour. Yeah, she ended up getting a mojito. It tastes real good. Both of them drinks pretty good. We just gonna eat on this bread a little bit, and then we gonna go ahead and put in the order for some food. Hurry up and try to get some video, y'all. They about to get at it. We starting off. Okay, I gotta cut it off. It's about to bring some more smash. Yeah, there's one more thing coming. We got some Tex-Mex egg rolls that we started off with. We got some cheeseburger spring rolls. We also got some crab wontons, and then we got some crab bites. Yeah, some crab bites. We actually got one more plate of food coming, but we about to get ready to nibble. Yeah, one more dish just came. We also got some fried macaroni. Fried macaroni. Everything looking pretty good. Yeah, we about to get on this smash. Guaranteed to get smashed. Yo, what's up, y'all? We just leaving the Cheesecake Factory. Man, we just ate real good in that thing, man. We had a real good time. Actually had a blast in there. My lady just said she finna get a tattoo 444. She say, for better, for worse, I belong to her forever. Yeah, we had a good old time, man. Know what I'm saying? We finna get ready to make one more stop, and then we probably gonna be ending it off for the night, man. But we had a real good time in the Cheesecake Factory. We about to slide off and head to one more place. So what's going on, y'all, man? We checking back in. We actually at Publix supermarket right now, man. But this Publix is way better than our Publix that we got in our city, man. Like, they actually got a bar in their shit, you know what I'm saying? So we definitely loving that. It wasn't no real big surprise, but it was a nice little surprise for my lady and my mama. They actually got a upstairs you can come at, sip your drink, shit. You can walk around with your drink as you shopping, you know what I'm saying? They got coffee and stuff like that too over there at the bar. But we got a couple blueberry ciders. The ciders weren't none but like $5 a piece, and they pretty good. Shit, they got a sushi station over there. They got like pizza that they making over there. We ain't got none of that shit at our Publix. This the one in Tampa, Florida. You know what I'm saying? We still in Tampa. We done left the Cheesecake Factory. Everything was pretty good from the Cheesecake Factory. I really like them cheeseburger spring rolls. They was real good. They my favorite. We still thugging it with moms, man. You know what I'm saying? We don't got a bunch of footage right now. You feel me? Like, I'm still trying to get comfortable with the camera. This shit really all new to my mama. You know what I'm saying? We trying to, you know, break her in a little bit. But yo, we just checking in right now, man. We gonna chill for a little while. We got the blueberry ciders. They good. And then once we get done with that, we gonna do a little bit of shopping. All right then, man, we'll check back in. What's going on with y'all, man? We finna check in one more time for tonight. Man, we done had a good time today, spending time with my mama and shit like that. We had started off at this place called District South, if I ain't mistaken. We grabbed some lunch there, had a good time. You know, the food was decent. Then, you know, we went to the park. We found a nice little spot on the water. It was real nice sitting out there. We ended up going to the Cheesecake Factory shit. We had them ordered a table full of food, ate real good there, a little bit of leftovers. This gonna be the last stop, man. We end up coming to this Publix, like I said. Yeah, I'm starting to fuck up. But yeah, we came to this motherfucking Publix. Like I said, it's a grocery store, but you could actually like purchase alcohol and shit like that in there, you know what I'm saying? Which was a first for me. So we got like a quick drink in there, walked around, did some shopping. Hey man, that belly full. I'm about to get ready to end this vlog for tonight. We definitely gonna be dropping more content. We've been dropping fairly consistently. We trying to keep this shit going, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate the few people that is watching. This a fairly new channel. I don't got a bunch of views, but shit, I'm gonna keep on pushing. It was good to spend time with my mama and shit like that. Take her out for today, have a good time. man, we enjoyed ourselves, you know what I'm saying? I would have liked to get more footage, but shit, we was having such a good time, man. You know, I was kind of forgetting a little bit, but appreciate the few people watching, man. And you know what I'm saying, we gonna bring y'all another video and y'all be easy.